Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Hernis Mayangsari. In here, I want to review a story. The title is The Grass is Singing. Certainly, in some story, we have a character for describe a story. The character in this story, The Grass is Singing, is number one, Mary Turner. Mary Turner is a protagonist character. Mary Turner, a lonely white woman who enters a loveless marriage with Dick Turner. And then number two is Dick Turner as Mary's husband, a struggling farmer isolated in his falling land. Number three is Moses. Moses as black man educated in a missionary school, employed as servant by Turner. Then, in the story, we have supporting characters. First, Carly Slater. Carly Slater as a neighbor for the Turners, offering a glimpse into the harsh realities of white settler life. And then second, Tony Marston as a young man who briefly offers Mary a connection outside her marriage. And then third, Sergeant Denham as a police officer who investigates marriage when Mary's dead. Fourth, Mrs. X. Why Mrs. X? Mrs. X unnamed as an neighbor who represents the narrow-minded attitudes of the white community in the story. In the last one is the servant as nameless black servant who works for Mrs. X. In the story, we have a rules. Who is it? The rules, who are they? Number one is Mary Turner. The story explores her descent into isolation despite an eventual tragedy. 2. Dick Turner represents the failures of white masculinity in the colonial setting. 3. Moses. Moses is serves as a catalyst for Mary's unraveling and embodies the racial tension of the time. 4. Other character in the story provide context for the social and cultural setting of the story. The setting story The Grass is Singing takes place in the southern Rhodesia and then now we can call Zimbabwe. During the 1940 years, this region in Southern Africa was a British colony at the time and faced significant racial tension between the white minority and the black majority. In the story, we have them. This is have them tell about bringing up colonialist, racist, and mental breakdown. The climax of The Grass is Singing, a violent and tragic event that brings the simmering tension to a head. It exposes the deep-seated problems in Mary's life, the racial misunderstandings, and the tragic consequences of isolation and desperation. Resolution in the story The Grass is Singing doesn't delve into the legal repercussions of Mary's death. We can assume Moses is apprehended by the police as Sergeant Denham arrives to investigate. For according to me, yeah, absolutely, I like the story because the story is fun for it. And then the story, it's like a colonial history and teaches us to think hard about how we should solve this problem. I think this story recommended for history's lovers reader. You should read this story because this story is fun and much of mystery, and I don't like in the ending story because the story still much many question about why Mary's death nobody person give justice and much person will curious ending in the story. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.